This is the face of a man who just wake up. I don't even know what time. Yeah, we oversleep again. Can't believe some oversleep again. We got in bed too late. And this is also the face of a person who really have to do something. I'm wait too long for do it. And now repercussions take me. So now me have to take a stance. Me have to decide something. Me have to decide what me I gonna do. And me I do it now. I me not care how it look for me. I care what people are say. But me have to do it now. So this is why me wake up right now. And me decide say yo, me get up early. And me have to go do it before everybody else wake up. Problem there. Sometimes you have to make a drastic decision.
Everyone's trying to judge me when they know nothing about my life. That's why every day, gotta pray. I not go cry, won't run away. Cause Lord, you are the strength up in my life. 16 candle, 16 praise, yeah. 16 hours up, 16 days. The journey is so long, it's like 16 years. Though it feels so impossible, won't misbehave. Cause Jah, you never let me down, never let me down.
Yo, running. Exercise. Me have to start exercise, man. This thing I go too far right now. Too far. I put on too much weight. Me not used to that. I'm Marga me saying, Marga me know. I don't know about this. COVID. I'm fat. No, not gonna work. I have to do it. I have to do it my way. I have to do it the right way.
They have fit the showdown when me see your crown. Still I deal with this.
You know, easy. And it's not the nicest thing. You know, fun. But you know what? It's the right thing to do. You see it? Yo, seriously though. Catch myself, man. I have to catch myself. You know, everything in our life, you have to catch yourself. You have to watch yourself, analyze yourself. If you can't analyze yourself, then you're too caught up in believing that you are perfect. And now we're not perfect. You have to stop and analyze yourself. Am I too selfish? Am I too this? Am I too that? We see it. And then when it's serious and you realize what's really happening, you have to check out yourself and find a solution to make a change to be a better person. Because the worst thing we hear people say, oh, I saw you stay. No, we all have bad habits. All of we have bad habits and bad ways. But habits can be broken, right? So you have to think about it like that. You see him, people? That's the rabbit. Wild rabbit. So good to see things. Point is, I realize I put on too much weight. And I've been trying different things, trying to avoid the hard part. Like the hardest thing sometimes is the best. So I try different exercise, I try different things. Some because me now want to get up for run because it's too hard. But the truth about it is sometimes you can't get around the truth. And the truth is you have to get out for run. Me have to go and run. So I try different easy ways and them not work. But in the end, you have to face the truth. And that's what I'm doing now. Because I have to lose them pony, man. I can't shoot videos and all type of nice things and pretty nice music and thing. And I'm in a shape. More in a shape. That's what me used to.
Know nothing about my life. That's why every
Yo, Mr. Rabbit still there. The rabbit still there eat. And I'm not afraid of nobody, because I know say nobody not gonna eat him. Alright, Mr. Rabbit, take care of yourself. Tomorrow we chat, me I run. Cause me fat. I be a vegetable you eat later. Yo, you know easy. You know easy at all, but that's so life go. You have to evaluate yourself, take stock of yourself, and then see how you can fix things. This leads me to something amazing I saw on Dmx. Dmx evaluate himself, him evaluate him friends and people around him. And it's just mind-blowing how the analysis was. Still tired. And it's just good to see somebody, not because it's Dmx, because my Virgin Dagger. And Dagger tell me the same thing in a Jamaican. Big up yourself, Dagger, if you watch this. Because sometimes you don't get the full effect of something until someone says says it another way. It's like you're in a school, one teacher teach you something, same, and another teacher come teach you the same thing. But yeah, the second teacher help you forget it because him say it another way, right? So this is what Dmx said. I find it on my Instagram. I just feel like me have to share it.
Always trust everyone to be themselves, but trust in the fact that you can see them well. You know what I mean? So it's like, you know, trust. It takes too much energy to not trust someone. You know what I mean? Trust them to be them.
Right. To be themselves.
Trust a snake to bite you. Right. Trust a lion to laugh. Trust a thief to steal from you. Like, trust them to be them. Too. But know them when you see them.
Yo, I hope that piece of information is, I hope you find it very helpful, because for me it's very helpful, very, very helpful. As short as it is, it's something that you can use for the rest of your life, and you will need for the rest of your life, because trusting people is always an issue for a lot of people. For me, back in the day, years ago, when I talked to my friend Daga, and Daga tell me, say, explain that to me, me did get it. But to hear it another way also helps. So yeah, big up to Daga, my brother. That, and big up to Dmx too. I mean, rest in peace, man. You did a great job in terms of helping a lot of people with these positive and kind words. But people have to evaluate yourself. I mean, it's crazy. That's the way life is. And we just have to keep going. Some people will fail you. Some people will make things nicer. And some people will make things bad. But there's always a good lesson from every situation. So take your time and evaluate every situation. You have to evaluate yourself. Trust yourself. Believe in yourself. And if you still don't believe in yourself, work on yourself. That's just the lesson in it. You have to keep working on yourself. There's no end to it. No end. You won't be perfect. And as long as you're not perfect, that means something has to change and something has to improve for you. All right, peeps, take care of yourself. Bless up yourself. We'll watch out for another video very soon. Come in. Remember to like and subscribe and share the video. Hit the bell notification button right there to get notified when I upload a video. You don't know. Music coming soon. Me not tell you exactly when, but it's coming soon. All right, peeps. Bless up. Take care.
Every day, gotta breathe.